an effort to strengthen the cordial relationship that exists between Kano 5 Emirates and Yoruba community living in Kano. Oba of Yoruba, Kano State Alhaji Murtala Alimi Otisheshi, paid homage to the Emir of K'araye, Dr. Ibrahim Abubakar II. While receiving the entourage of the Yoruba monarch, Emir of K'araye described the Yoruba as the peace-loving people. Oba of Yoruba, Kano State Alhaji Murtala Alimi Otisheshi says traditional rulers, particularly Kano 5 Emirs, contributed immensely towards peaceful coexistence that Kano State is enjoying, considering the security challenges faced in different parts of the country.
It's my great pleasure in the sense that a day like this comes up that we can come and pay him a suitable, clean, welcome, warming reception they give to us today. It was awesome. I appreciate him, and I appreciate him, I appreciate him. And with the Yorubas, we need to show a sign of respect to our emirs, like him and Co. We are in Gaya like 2-3 weeks ago. We went to pay homage there too. We will still be going to Rano and Bichi soon.